everybody. Let's practice some stomach crunches. There are 3 different ways that we can practice them today. So the first one, lay on your back, put your knees up, hands behind your neck, and we're going to lift our head 5 times, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The other way we can do it is by putting our feet down, same position with the arms, and again, let's do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Next, we can try with our arms straight, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. This is stomach crunches.